Energy is everywhere. Since almost everything that happens around us requires energy, it is not surprising that energy comes in many different forms. Let's see the different forms of energy that Michael will encounter as he takes a walk outside on a bright and sunny day. While walking under the sun, Michael feels warm and starts to sweat. He is feeling the energy produced by the sun in the form of heat. Heat energy keeps us warm. We also use heat to cook food and dry our clothes. Michael looks up at the sky. He has to squint because the sun is too bright. Light is another form of energy produced by the sun. It allows us to see and gives objects colors. Plants also use light energy to make food through the process of photosynthesis. Suddenly, Michael's phone rings. Sound is another form of energy, and it is produced by vibrating objects. When the sound energy spreads through the air and reaches our ears, we can hear the sound. After hanging up the phone, Michael notices that his phone is low on power. He quickly connects his phone to a battery to recharge it. All electrical devices or appliances, such as our cell phone or the vacuum cleaner, require a form of energy called electrical energy to work. Electrical energy is the energy that flows in an electrical circuit. It can be produced in power stations and delivered to our homes, or obtained from batteries when we connect it to a circuit in an electrical device. As Michael keeps walking, he passes by a hot dog stand. Feeling hungry since he did not eat breakfast, Michael gets a hot dog. Like Michael, all living things need to eat food to get enough energy. The form of energy stored in food is chemical energy. Other things that store chemical energy are fuels and batteries. Finally, Michael arrives at the park and starts jogging. When Michael is moving, whether by walking or running, he has a form of energy called kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of an object due to its movement. When an object is not moving, it does not have kinetic energy. After jogging for a while, Michael sits down to rest. He notices a little boy crying because his kite is stuck on a tree. Quickly, Michael climbs up the tree to help the little boy get his kite. While on top of the tree, Michael has more potential energy than when he was on the ground. Potential energy is a form of energy that is stored in an object. As an object moves to a higher position, more potential energy becomes stored in it. Other examples of potential energy include the energy stored in a stretched metal spring or in a squeezed rubber ball.